Hello friends, are you experiencing knee or shoulder pain, instability, clicking sounds, crackling sounds, locking or dislocation? These all symptoms occurs due to specific reason in the knee or shoulder, whether it is a injury or some disorders. So it is very important for us to diagnose these kind of symptoms very early, because if you don't diagnose this symptom and you don't get the treatment, these symptoms can progress to a very severe degrees, and in future it will land up in surgeries, and sometimes even with surgery you will not get the complete relief and complete treatment. So in this video we are going to talk about that what are the causes for these symptoms and how to diagnose these things, and what are the best treatment available in the future and today. So if you are experiencing knee pain, it can be due to your knee cartilage degeneration or damage, or it might be due to the knee meniscus injury. If you are experiencing knee locking, then it is due to knee meniscus injury. If you are feeling your knees unstable, you are not confident enough with your knees and your knee is giving up in sports, in running and maybe in daily activities, then it might be due to your knee ligament injuries such as anterior cruciate ligament injury or posterior or medial or lateral collateral ligament injuries.
यदि आप इस तरह ही हेल्थ के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें ये चैनल द हेल्थ केयर टुडे और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले।
If you are experiencing pain in shoulder, that means you have a damaged shoulder cartilage, or there is a tear or tendinitis of your rotator cuff muscles, mainly the supraspinatus. If you are feeling that your shoulder is stiff, it is not moving correctly, it might be due to frozen shoulder in which your shoulder capsule become very tight. If you are unable to lift your hand, then there can be a complete tear of supraspinatus muscle, which is a part of rotator cuff. So friends, as we have seen, these are the major causes for these specific symptoms. So how we diagnose these things? So when you come to us, we do a thorough physical examination of your knee or shoulder depending upon your condition. We might order some investigations like X-ray and MRI. By these things, we are able to write down what is the correct diagnosis of your disease. If you come to us early in the stage and we make a correct diagnosis, then it is easy for us to treat you completely and without surgery. The best treatment available today is platelet-rich plasma therapy. We make PRP by our own blood. We take a small sample of your blood, 10 to 15 ml, and we'll take out platelets, growth factors, stem cells from the blood. When we inject PRP to the damaged tissue, either shoulder or knee, because it has lot of growth factors, it initiates the healing process in your damaged joint and it heals completely. So friends, if you come to us early, we make a very accurate diagnosis and then we can treat your condition without surgery, and you will save countless hours in surgery and rehabilitation. Friends, if you like the video and the content, do like and subscribe us, and we will be happy to help you. Do ask me a lot of questions in the comment, and we are there to help you out always.